Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a bit of a live build on Botpress. Basically lead capture. I've seen a lot of Zapier integrations for lead capture. I actually found a free alternative using Google Sheets API. A little bit finicky, but what Botpress has recently done is basically allowed us to do this within Botpress. So that's right, lead capture without, sorry, I've got a bit of a cold. Lead capture without Zapier, which costs money, right? Or make.com also costs money. It can be all done within your bot, right? So it won't be centralized lead capture. So if you have multiple bots running on various websites and you want to track something, that's not possible. But per bot, we now have an ability to do that. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing we need, this is going to be a pretty short video. So the first thing we need to do is create a table, right? So we can call this leads. And then what we can do is we can create any column that we want to fill out, right? So we have name. We will have email. You could have phone number, for example, but let's just do a very simple one, message. Or let's say we're asking them in the bot about, their pain points, right? And then also company type or something, right? So we set up our table, then we basically have to set up that workflow and point it to the table. It's as simple as that. So we simply do raw input, and we can ask those questions. What is your name? Right? You store it in a variable called name. We can do it all in one go. You can do those 4 fields, I think. Right? I mean, they don't have to match. Yeah, okay, so then there was, what is your email? Let's save this in email. What are your pain points? Or what is your company type? All right. And let's save this in company type. And what are your pain points that could use AI automation? And we can save this in pain points. Okay, so we start, right? And then what we need to do is use the insert record card. And here we select the table, which we made, leads table. So that's the one we've done there. And then it automatically populates each of the rows we've defined here, right? And I think if I edit this, we could change the type, right? So if you wanted to make sure it's a number, we could do that, Boolean, date, object, and so forth. But let's just keep it all strings for now. And then you just have to match it to the variable. So name, we can do workflow name, email, pain points, and company type, right? We have to do this, so it actually goes to the record. So this will be invisible to the user, right? So you could have another text saying, thanks, we will get back to you ASAP, or something, I don't know, whatever, right? We could have this going, and so basically this part will be invisible to your user, the insert record, and then we'll end the conversation. Okay, so if I then say hello, it says, what is your name? Bob Jones. What is your email? bob.jones@gmail.com. What is your company type? I own a gym. And I am tired of signing up new clients and digitizing documents. Whatever, right? So, right, that's that done. We go to our leads table. Lo and behold, we have our information. Export as CSV. We can do that as well. But basically, this table persists as long as the bot is active. So I asked Botpress support for that. So you don't need to do any sort of periodic updating or exporting, I should mention. And if you want to delete something, say we've tested this, right? So we can just delete the record, and it gets deleted, right? There's probably a smarter way to separate out testing from testing from an actual lead, but I'm trying to look into that. Anyway, hope that short video was useful for you guys. It saves you integration with Zapier or some other tools. Thanks for watching, guys.